Me no gone nowhere. No, no, no. Me there, same way, yeah. Me no gone.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been MIA, but I'm gonna have a talk to video coming on my channel really soon. But for today, let's just jump into this tutorial. So I am starting off with freshly washed hair. So I wash my hair and then I put like about 5 large braids in it and sleep overnight, and then I wake up in the morning and I blow it out. I blow it out on like cool to low heat, and yeah, that's how I straightened it. And I also use this brush to help to like get rid of any tangle that's in it before I start to like section it. Alright, and that's what the brush looks like. I don't know what this brush is called. I have it since I was a child. It's by Goody, that much I know. Now we're just gonna make a section in the front of our head like you see I'm doing right there. Mine is not perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. You could, you know, spend as long as you want to make it perfect. It's totally up to you. It didn't matter to me if it was perfect or not. And then I'm just gonna section away the back so it doesn't get like, you know, entangled into the front. And I'm gonna put some Eco protein gel on it, and then I'll just braid the front. Okay, if you don't know how to braid, you may want to watch a video to learn how to braid, because I'm just gonna go through this step really fast. Now that the braid is finished, I'm going to start the process of putting my hair in a super laid ponytail. Now I'm going to section off the sides like that, and then I'm going to put the back in a ponytail first. And I'm going to use the Eco protein gel, and I'm going to use a generous amount, which is really a lot, but I don't mind because I'm just going to keep this in for like 6 to 7 days, and I'll wash my hair. So I'm going to take a good amount and slick it down onto the back, put this in a ponytail, and then move on to the sides. I'm going to use my magic brush to just lay down all those little flyaways, you know, 4C hairs. And I like to use a rubber band instead of a scrunchie, something like that, because it holds my hair better, and I could just cut the rubber band when I'm ready to take it out. And I'm going to move on to the sides, and what I'm going to do is just make smaller sections into the sides like that, apply a generous amount of gel, and just use my brush to smooth it down. Don't be scared to apply the gel, y'all. It's just gel. I know some people probably looking like, ooh, that's a lot of gel, but it can be washed out. It will itch you a little bit. And yeah, moving on to the second section, but I have this hair in for like 6 days now. It does itch a little bit, but not too much. That's why I washed my hair before, so my scalp will be clean. And yeah, but to be honest, it itches a little bit. And I'm just continuing to use my brush to just lay this down. This brush will help to like just get every little flyaway just into the gel and just slick. Okay, now I'm gonna put both sides in with the back and take another rubber band and just put this into a nice tight laid ponytail. Well, not too tight because I don't have a headache from it. So when I say tight, I don't mean OD tight. Alright, after that I'm just gonna put the back into a braid. And my camera went blurry, but yeah, I just braided it and then fold it and put a rubber band over it to hold it. Then I'm going to move on to my edges, and I'm going to use my Got2b gel and a small toothbrush and just lay those little roly with a I don't really know the word, so let's continue. Yeah, I use a toothbrush because this helps to get all those little roly in the front of my head or my hairline. It's not a lot, but it's okay. And then I'm going to take some, that's either sweet almond oil or avocado oil, I forgot, and I'm just gonna smooth this over my hair. This will help to just make it a little bit more shiny, you know, because my hair tends to look dry if it's not hydrated. And I'm gonna use a silk scarf, tie this down, do my makeup, and then I'll be back. Our girl is back, and that little something on the face is really nice, simple, natural, just basically like a statement wing. And then I'm gonna take this silk scarf off. It's been like 40 minutes, I would say, so it's not fully dry because that was a lot of gel, but it's dry enough and it will dry throughout the day. Now I'm gonna take this bundle of hair. I think I used this to do my anniversary anniversary. All right, I'm just Jamaican, don't mind my H's where they don't belong. And I'm gonna take off a small piece at the end of the weft, and I'm gonna use that to wrap around the ponytail. That will just help to secure the ponytail onto, the bundle onto the ponytail. Just continue wrapping this hair around the ponytail until I get to almost the end. You can wrap it however you like. Everybody wrap their ponytail kind of different, just as long as it's secured, it looks nice, and you're comfortable with it. It doesn't matter how you wrap it. All right, so I'll just continue wrapping, and I'll just wrap until I get to like the end piece of it, where I'll leave like a generous amount, like I'm showing you there. I just take off a few pieces of the hair with the last piece, continue wrapping, and I'll just wrap it. Oh boy, all right, I'll just wrap it. I'm tongue-tied, I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, you see what I'm doing. I'll just wrap it around just to hide the tracks and to give it more of a smooth, polished kind of finish. And then I'll use a bobby pin to secure that. Now, this is what the ponytail is looking like so far. I like it. It's real cute, you know, kind of what I'm going for. And then I'll just try to pull the hair down just to make sure that none of the curls are not tangled with each other. And then I'm gonna flip the hair up and push a bobby pin in the back just for extra security. I mean, it wasn't really necessary, but I just do it just to be really secure, okay? Then I'm gonna add some little bit of jewel in my hair. Jewel, all right, you know what I'm talking about, right? Jewel. These little gold things, I'm gonna put them in my hair. I'm gonna put one in the front because the braid was so thick that it couldn't really fit on it properly, so I had to put one in the front, and then a few just side by side in the back coming up. Yeah, that type of vibe. And then yeah, I'm gonna apply some mousse to the curls, the synthetic hair, just to make it look a little bit more, you know, defined, because I've worn this hair before, so it has a little bit of like flyaways, which is not bad. It's not bad. Nothing is on a little bit of flyaways, but I'm just gonna help this to make the curls stay a little bit better. However, yeah, and then just trim away the ends. However, after the first day when I wore this ponytail, I did not like the way it looked at all. It just got really frizzy, really fuzzy. So the next day I decided that I'm gonna take this out. Yeah, that's how it was looking. It was stiff and the curls were just like sticking to each other. I'm like, So I took it out, and I'm gonna show you how it's easy to take it out. You're just gonna take out the bobby pins and then just unravel the hair. See, that's how easy it is to just take the ponytail out when you apply it like I did. And now I'm going to use a bundle of human hair. I think this is in the style deep curl or jerry curl. I don't remember the style. I had this here over a year now, and I purchased it from Unice here. It's going to be the same process of wrapping like I did with the synthetic bundle. So yeah, I'm just gonna run through this really quickly. And this hair was a lot more movable, like, you know, if the breeze blew it would move, unlike the synthetic hair, and it wouldn't get as frizzy, and they weren't tangling, like the curls weren't tangling with each other, and it just felt and looked a lot better. Okay, so it's the same process like I did with the synthetic hair. This is just the human hair. I just switched the texture of the hair. Okay, and that's what it looks like. I like it a lot better. It looked more real-ish, you know, kind of real-ish. And then I'm also gonna put some mousse on it, just to, you know, because we just put mousse on curly hair all the time. And see the difference in color? Like the synthetic hair was a lot more darker, and the human hair matched with my hair a little better. Now, that's the finished look, y'all. I was feeling myself, feeling my little ponytail. If you like it, please let me know down below. Don't forget thumbs up, subscribe, and share with a friend who has 4C hair and is looking for unique styles. Okay, bye guys.